Hey guys, and welcome back to another hair tutorial here on our channel, Putting Up With The Pompons. I am Shantae, the mother of the three beautiful pompon sisters. In this video, I have my oldest daughter, Kalia, here. We are doing a wash and go and using some color wax to achieve this look. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the products in detail, her hair maintenance and routine. Let's get into it. Now, of course, before we go any further, let me not forget to invite you to hit that subscribe button located right below this video. We would love to have you. We are a mother-daughter YouTube channel talking about everything natural hair, natural products, natural hair care, and anything else in between. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey mama, hey friend, hope you are being blessed and safe as always. So here we have Kalia here. She has been freshly washed using the Soapbox Tea Tree shampoo and conditioner. And for this style, we're doing a wash and go. So I want to use, of course, a cream and a gel. And right here, I'm testing it out to make sure it's going to work. If it clumps up, that means they are not compatible and you need to switch up the products. So these blended in perfectly with one another. So I'm going in first with the Camille Rose Honey Leave-In, and I'm using the entire leave-in collection by Camille Rose. Now this is supposed to be a moisturizing leave-in, and then we have the Latte, which is supposed to define. Both of these products smell great and they're nice and thick. I work both of those products in one after the other, smoothing them through using my fingertips, and I also go behind it using my Tangle Teaser to just kind of help. If her hair does dry out, I do go in with more water. We don't want her hair to be like dry, at least damp. This can kind of help tame down the frizz to make sure we get the definition that we want. Now I'm going in with the Eco Styler gel. This one has castor oil, shea butter, and a bunch of other hard-hitting oils, which is what I love the most about it. And it definitely brings out the definition in Kalia's hair. So I work this through. Now the section I'm going in right now is a little too big. Definitely work in smaller sections. So the section that I'm starting on now, I'm going to divide that one in half just to kind of help distribute that gel a little bit better. The gel definitely brings out the definition that I love to see in her hair. So going in again using the leave-in honey, which is supposed to hydrate, then the latte, which is going to define, and this is a nice cream, and the honey is a nice like oil-based cream. Then I'm dividing in half like I mentioned before to then go in with my gel, which is going to help bring out that definition and also hold her hair from it preventing a whole bunch of frizz. I'm going behind it with my Tangle Teaser to smooth it through, and I do not touch the curls after that. Touching them can definitely cause frizzing and lose some of that definition, and I want this to be as defined as possible. So now I'm moving to the portion of her hair where I want to add the color wax, and I want it to be right here in the front. We tried a style previously with the color wax where I did it more of it in the back, like a kind of skunk stripe. I really love the trend of the skunk stripe, but I am afraid to try it on myself. But I thought Kalia has the perfect amount of hair that it would look awesome on her. So we're just doing the crown area of her hair. So again, going in with those same three products, the Camille Rose Honey, then the Camille Rose Latte, and last we're going to go in with the Eco Styler gel with the castor oil and shea butter. Now I'm adding in that color wax, and this is by ORS Curls, and this is in the color Dragon Fruit. So it has like this reddish burgundy kind of purple tint to it. Came out very vibrant working with it at first, and I was loving it. It has this nice creamy feel to it, so it doesn't dry out the hair. It definitely brought even more definition to her curls than the gel did, and I actually kind of was liking it. I kind of wished I did her entire head using the color wax just because of the hold it had on her curls in the front. So I'm working it in, and I'm making sure that I get her roots because I want her roots to be the same color as well. So a little bit did get on her forehead, but it is okay. It does wash off with water. This is a temporary color. So this is just a slowed down and a little bit close up of her definition in the color, and she was in love with it. And we're gonna finish the rest of her head off camera. So here I am diffusing her hair, and I have it sped up, and I diffused her hair for a total of 10 minutes. So this is a 10-minute video that I just sped up so you can kind of see how I place the diffuser. I have it on high heat at first, and then I turn it down to a lower heat, and I really like to focus on the roots more than the ends, and that's because I don't want her to experience any kind of like mildewing or sourness from that moisture sitting at the roots of her hair. Her hair is very thick, so it takes a while. If I was to allow her hair to air dry, it would probably take 3 days for her hair to become completely dry. So diffusing is an absolute must for any wash and go that I perform on Kalia. And as you can see, I'm kind of lifting up underneath her hair to try to get under her roots and all that moisture that's sitting up under there. And that takes me at least 10 minutes to try to get it damp, because right now her hair is pretty wet, and it gets probably about 70% dry, and then the rest of it I will allow to air dry over time. Now I'm going to finish this entire style off using the herbal tea, and this is a oil by Camille Rose. Very lightweight, and this is just going to help add shine and seal in that moisture. So I'm kind of just like patting it in there, trying not to disturb her curls too much. And as you can see, she already has all this volume from her wash and goes. Her wash and goes definitely have more volume than definition, while her twist outs and braid outs, I tried to achieve more definition than volume. Now, that's not to say that I don't like her hair having volume. I absolutely love it. This is a key part of Kalia's hair, and I want her to embrace it rather than trying to run from it. So this is a completed look. I told her to shake her hair just so we can kind of see that length that she is having. She definitely loves it. Now, some of the color did kind of come off very easily. That's probably one thing that I didn't care for. But other than that, this is her style for the next couple of days. Thank you guys for joining us on another video. We will see y'all on another one. Be blessed and be safe.